Hello everyone, it's Dianne at Minerva. I hope you're all having a super week. So today I'm excited to share with you the new spring pattern range by McCall's. So we have these all in stock here at Minerva. So it's great that you are able to shop for your fabric, your notions and these patterns all in one place and plan your spring and summer makes. So I'm sure you'll find a few that you can't wait to tackle this spring and summer for your summer holidays or maybe just your casual or workwear wardrobe. And I'm also going to be sharing along the way a few different fabrics to help you gain some inspiration about what we have, what's available, and maybe give you a few ideas. So let's jump straight in with the first pattern. So first up we have a blouse and it's pattern number 8658. Now I really love this blouse pattern because it has a gorgeous fitted shape to it. I do love a fitted blouse. You have the option to make it with long sleeves or short sleeves. We have a sweetheart neckline, the collar, which you could also make with a contrast if you want to change it up a little bit. If you want to go for A or B view, the sleeves are bound with binding. And then of course you can make it with the long sleeve with the split cuff. So lots of options, and we also have a lovely detail at the back, so it has a little belt with a D-ring as well. And a split hem at the front, sort of cut out. So it looks really nice, lots of details, a little bit different, and it just elevates it from just a regular blouse. Now sizing on this one is 6 to 16. And then 16 to 26. Fabrics you could go for a poplin, a chambray, a broadcloth, maybe try a sateen. I love the check on the cover version, so I'll pop in a few fabrics and maybe you can try and recreate that look. So a perfect one to kickstart your spring and summer wardrobe. If you're in need of a pair of jeans or shorts for your spring and summer look, then this next pattern is for you. It's 8660 and here we have jeans or shorts and also the option to add in a ruffle. So views A and B have a hip ruffle. On each view we have the button fly. The side pockets, view C, also has patch pockets to the back. They sit 1 inch just below the natural waistline, and we also have a back yoke and belt loops. These would look great in twill or denim, chambray, maybe a cotton blend or a canvas, something with a little bit of added print if you want to be a little bold. A great make for taking on holiday. Why not try them in a bright, bold coloured denim? Sizing is 8 to 16 and then 18 to 26, and these are an average ability make. Now if you're interested in vintage reproduction patterns, this next one could be just your thing. It's a vintage 1980s and it's a skirt. So this one has button detail to the front yoke. There are different lengths that you can choose from. You can also have the added petticoat to view C, which also has a self fabric button strap. There are tucks and a gathered ruffle at the lower edge on view C as well. This one can be made in a range of fabrics: chambray, cotton, gauze, taffeta, maybe a lightweight denim. You can really go to town on trying this in all the different fabrics. Change it up with the look of your buttons or keep it more traditional in that white look for that petticoat feel. Something a little different and a little bit unique for you to try. Sizing is 6 to 14 and then 16 to 24, and it's average ability despite looking quite complicated in the image. So maybe try this one as something new and unique to make this year. Maybe you have in mind a jumpsuit for your spring summer makes. This one is just beautiful. It's pattern number 8661 and I love it in this orange and white stripe. Now we have a range of stripe fabrics to choose from in lovely lightweight fabrics. I'll pop in a few for you to take a look at. So this orange and white is really catching my eye. This jumpsuit can be made in 3 lengths, so we can do shorts, so it's more of a play suit, a crop length or a full length, and you could dress that up for evening wear. We have a button placket to the front, some waist defining darts, a traditional collar and a bat wing sleeve. So really nice, casual, comfy look to it. But if you went for something a little special with your fabrics, you could elevate this to evening wear, I feel. Go for a cotton blend, a chambray, a linen, a broadcloth, maybe a little bit of sateen if you're looking for an evening look. Sizing is 8 to 16 and then 18 to 26, and it's for averageability. Now next up, if you're looking for an easy make, we have pattern number 8651, which is this lovely mini dress with a drop waist. So it has a round neckline and then a choice of sleeveless, a ruffle at the shoulder, or a sleeve with a ruffle at elbow length. It has a back closure with buttons. And if you go for the A or B version with the ruffle or the sleeveless look, we have a bias finish on the inside. Why not make this in a chalet, a crepe, a gingham, a lawn, a linen blend, or maybe a poplin? It's a nice easy make, so you could maybe make a few of these to see you through the spring and summer season in the different variations and different fabric choices. Sizing is 6 to 14 and then 14 to 22, and being an easy make, it's perfect for a beginner. This next pattern, 8664, is a casual pull-on trouser or pants with a partial elastic and drawstring. So you can make this for yourself and your partner, and it's a perfect holiday make for the whole family really. We have a utility cargo pocket, a relaxed slouchy feel, straight legs and a shaped back yoke. This can be made in a chambray, a French terre, a ponte, linen blends and also cotton blends. So a range of fabrics to choose from. Sizing is XS to XXL and it's an averageability make. Now if you're looking for some tops and skirts separates and you like a good value pattern, this next one is just ideal for you because we have a lovely oversized top and gathered skirt. So the oversized top has a collar and neck placket. We have a back yoke and there is some decorative top stitching to the hem and the sleeves, and the back is slightly longer than the front. Now the pull-on gathered skirt has two inverted box pleats and then a gathering with elastic to the back of the waistband. We also have side seam pockets and a wide hem. This skirt finishes just 2 inches above the ankle, but of course this will depend on your height. Now fabrics, you could go for a broadcloth, a cotton, a denim, a linen, or maybe a twill. This one is an averageability pattern. I think it's really versatile because you can mix it up with your other makes or just wear them together. Sizing is 6 to 14 and then 16 to 24. Here with 8697 we have some lovely knit tops. So these have a blouse look to them, but they're a little more comfy in that they are made from a knit fabric. So we have a Peter Pan collar, we have the choice of long or short sleeves, a button down front and some lovely shaping there. So this is created with the princess seams. Now the sleeves are finished with elastic in either that short, cap or long length. So this pattern is for stretch knits only. Go for a cotton knit, a double knit, a ponte, maybe try this in a stable jersey fabric. The rating for this pattern is easy and it's a good size range, so it's sizes 10 to 20 and then 22 to 34W. If you're in need of a special event dress, this next one might be the thing. Pattern number 8654. Here we have a fitted dress through the bust and waist, and then it's flared out towards the hem. It's bias cut, sleeveless. We have a V-neck neckline and shoulder straps. Both views have an invisible back zipper, and to complete the look we have this narrow scarf, and this is finished off with a narrow hem around the edges. One of the views here is finished in a chiffon fabric, so I will share a few of those for you to take a look at. Very much on trend with that sheer look. You could also use a lace, a lawn, a voile. For underlining, we could go for a crepe de chine, and this is an average ability make, but that doesn't take away from the lovely effect of this dress. So perfect for any summer events, or maybe to take on your summer holidays. So this one would be great to make for a special occasion or any of those special summer events that you have coming up. Sizing on this one is 10 to 20 and then 18 to 28W. My final pick today is this beautiful fit and flare dress, pattern number 8649. Now we can make this in mid-knee or midi length. The dresses have aligned bodice with empire seams, and then there is a bias cut 8-panel skirt. We also have a V-neck and a scooped back, and they close with an invisible zipper. The dresses can be made with a voluminous puff sleeve, or we could go for the simple strap look. Fabrics, why not go for a chalet, a chambray, a crepe de chine, or maybe an eyelet fabric. This is an average ability pattern, and sizing is 6 to 16 and then 14 to 24. Well, I hope you've enjoyed taking a look through my pattern picks today. I'm sure there are quite a few there that you would like to take a look at. All of these patterns are now available on our website, along with our extensive range of fabrics and notions. Please remember, if you make any of these patterns, share them with us all. We love to see what you've been up to, so remember to include a photograph with your comments. And of course, you can get 10% off all your orders for a whole year with the Minerva Craft Club, and create a free online account with us. It's really good fun. Great place to share your makes and gain some inspiration. That's all from me for today, but I hope to be back soon with more sewing ideas for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.